Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Brazilian lemonade. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Grab 4 to 5 fresh limes, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of very cold water. For that signature creamy texture, make sure you have 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk ready. Having all your ingredients chilled beforehand will ensure your lemonade is perfectly refreshing from the very first sip. It's a quick and delightful treat. Now, let's prepare our limes. First, wash your 4 to 5 limes very well, then trim off both ends. It's important not to peel them, as the zest adds a wonderful aroma. Next, cut each lime into 8 small wedges, making sure to remove any seeds you see. Place these lime wedges into your blender with 2 cups of cold water. Blend for approximately 30 seconds. Overblending can release bitterness from the pith. After blending, it's time to strain. Pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a large pitcher. Use a spoon or spatula to press firmly on the lime solids, extracting every last drop of that delicious lime juice. Discard the remaining pulp, as it can introduce an unwanted bitter taste. Now, add your 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, stirring until everything is completely dissolved and smooth. To finish, add the remaining 2 cups of cold water to your pitcher and give it a good stir. This helps balance the flavors perfectly. Take a moment to taste your lemonade. If you prefer it sweeter, feel free to add a little more sugar or condensed milk. For the best experience, chill your Brazilian lemonade for at least 30 minutes. Serve it over plenty of ice, perhaps with a fresh lime slice for a beautiful and refreshing presentation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.